Bias is not for it's not for like at the end. It's like, oh shit. Oh my god. He doesn't even have a PC. It's a laptop. All right, guys, we are back in Chaos League, episode 10. We got the one and only Alex. Anyways, the second competitor is Mr. Clicky. Alright guys, we are here, the semifinals, Alex versus Clicky. You guys can start in 3. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want, Alex? Whoever is the highest at the end, and whoever's the highest or wins gets a point. The highest is not for, it's not for like at the end, it's like all time. Like, wait, so is this the first competition to have Alex versus Clicky? Alright, Alex, you should create. Oh my god. Clicky fell. But he doesn't even have a PC, he has a laptop. Alex, right at the end. Clicky right behind to get the first point. Can he do it? One mess up, Clicky can get the point. Alex does it. Remember, he has to reach the end. It looks like it's going to be 1-0, right? Remember, if Alex gets one more point, he wins. Just one more point. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave. No. Clicky, to make the video longer, I'm gonna need you to win one round. Oh my god.
I'm lagging so well right now.
Oh, Alex died. Clicky, or a little bit high. Come on, Clicky. You can tie this. Clicky, you got this, buddy. Hey, Clicky, we believe! You got this, buddy. Oh my god, Clicky. Oh my god, he fell. At least you reached higher. Oh, Alex fell! Alex fell all the way. Oh my god. This is funny. Alex died. Okay. Clicky is cooking. Okay, just jump back. It's not that hard. Just use your brain. Hey, it's not a bit to go. It's not to. Bro, what is that? Okay. Yo, Alex is catching up. This is the purple stage. What? I do not! Oh my god. Anyways, Alex, he's literally cooking. He's in the final stage. Okay, we might make. What are you doing, Alex? Alex, we might make this first to 3. Alex, stop it. Do it. Alex, even if you die, it's whoever reached the highest in all time. Just do it. Choose your brain. It's not parallel. So like, we'll go for whoever reached the highest. Oh my god, Alex, just complete the stupid map. It's actually so hard. Oh, he fell at the end. Oh my god, he fell at the end. Oh my god, imagine if he died. That would be hilarious. Yo, imagine the timer finished and Alex doesn't do it. Oh no, wait, you still get the point. Alex, Clicky. Oh, Alex did it. Unless he falls like, oh, he actually jumped off. Clicky, comeback time. Clicky, finger still. If you fall, it'll be hilarious because you literally have to do it. No, Alex, jump off. He did it again. Alex, jump off. Do it, jump off. Do it. No, Alex. No. Alright, start. And get a better PC, bozo. Guys, everyone go and follow Alex's author down. Alex Tower. Okay, Clicky's cooking. Oh, look at Alex's slowly. So sad. In Clicky we believe. The comeback shop. Oh, they're both at the final stage. Oh my god, all Alex has to do is win and he gets a point. Alex falls, it'll be funny. Oh my god. Okay, to jump off. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I feel so bad. Wait! GG. Alright, with a final score of 3-0, Alex advances to the finals. Oh my god, Alex, are you ready? You're one step closer to the UGC. That is insane. Oh my god. Alright, Clicky. No! Come back! Get him! Clicky! Come here. Come here right now. We gotta do it. It's for the memes. Bruh. Alex! Push him off! Hey, just jump! Baby, just jump.